We call this snowbank running. Oh, oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, oh, he can't do it. He can't do it. He can't do it. It's only 19 out here. It's 11:30. We're gonna be here till 11:30, people. We got f***ing Harleys, we got f***ing Bugattis, we got f***ing side-by-sides. It's the f***ing car show.
People said, what's that guy's name? He hung around with us over there a little bit.
Right,
and talked to us and helped get me up some power for me and done all kinds of stuff. What's his name? We couldn't remember. And we sitting there realizing, there's his truck right there. I bet I wonder if he's still driving or bringing stuff.
Yeah, he was. He's here.
He's here.
We rolled in yesterday morning. We unloaded all of it.
And they stole the damn thing today.
So now they took it over and hit it at the racetrack. It's behind gates at the racetrack. So.
Ain't that some shit?
Because he even said, oh, they got a prominent spot for me at the hotel. I said, you're gonna bring that to the racetrack? I asked him this yesterday. He said, no, it's gonna be at the hotel. Then I get here today, he's like, what ain't at the hotel?
Where's it at? I don't know.
they pulled it right up on GPS, went right to it.
AC/DC at 11 o'clock in the morning.
Car show.